we have seen the technical reforms, we have also seen the land reforms. Let's move on to the general reforms. Under the general reform category, the first reform is expansion of irrigation facilities. Earlier, especially before independence, we did not have the modern required irrigation facilities available to the Indian farmer. But now these facilities have been expanded and as much as 40.2% of the Indian agricultural field is watered by the irrigation facilities. So, a great achievement in itself. The second general reform is provision of credit to the Indian farmer. The Indian farmer has been given various schemes like the Kisan credit cards and also the other NABARD like the agricultural and rural segments under the bank schemes by which the Indian farmer is able to get the required credit with minimum required number of formalities. The third general reform is regulated markets. As we have seen earlier, the Indian farmer, because of the shortage of storage supply and also because of the need of money immediately, used to sell its produce in the market at whatever rate was available. But now the market is regulated by the government and there are representatives from the farmers themselves who see to it that the market gives them the required rate to the increased product that the farmer is growing. The next general reform is the policy of price support. The government fixes or announces the minimum price for the grains beforehand so that the Kisan or the Indian farmer is not forced to sell its product at the throwaway prices and the minimum support price is always provided to him. So, these were the three reforms which have been initiated by the government of India, the technical, the general and the land reforms which have given a great boost to the Indian agriculture.